I think Everest is not for everybody. You know, it's rough. You train for years and it's cold, you know, but we all have our challenges that are right for us, that we think are impossible. But, you know, Madiba said, it always seems impossible until it's done. And the reality is, it's what we tell ourselves in our minds. You know, if you plan for it, you go for it, you are able to, you are the right person for that specific challenge. And that is your Everest. And that's what Everest was for me. You know, I went in 2014 and I couldn't. And 2017 and, 2019, I did it, you know. So I believe that it may be your homework. It is that matric exam that's coming up, you know, and that is your Everest. And I'm just saying, I'm the testament that says that it is possible. It's only impossible in your mind. So use the tools around you, use the support of the parents that you have, the friends, and the books and companies like, iSchool Africa that are giving you all the tools, because you were made for this time. You were made to not only step on top of the world, but step on top of the clouds, as I'm a testament to it.